everybody, Holli here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and today we're gonna make a cold avocado soup, which sounds kind of interesting, doesn't it? And this one actually happens to be vegan too. So the other day I was with a friend of mine, and she was mentioning that she had made an avocado soup, and I thought, well, that's kind of different. I never thought about an avocado soup. But she used chicken broth. And I thought, well, maybe we can make it vegan and not use chicken broth. We'll try it with vegetable stock. So I did, and it's super yummy. And it's super duper simple. So here's all we're gonna do. First, we're going to take some avocados. I've got them right here. Let's go ahead and throw them in here. I've already just chunked them up. Okay, slide him over here. Put him aside. Then I've got a few jalapenos here that I've already seeded. I'm just gonna give them a quick little chop. Add them to this. Okie dokie. Look at that. Then we'll add some vegetable broth, as I mentioned. Some fresh lime juice. Cilantro, of course some salt. Avocado loves its salt. And some pepper. Okay, so let's put them up on our little Vitamix guy. Food processor would work fine here too, but I have a Vitamix and it works good. Give them a go. Okay, now if you want to get fancy, you could strain it. I'm going to keep it a little more rustic. So let's just go ahead, we'll pop them back into the bowl where our avocados were. If you want it a little thinner, add a little more stock. Pretty basic stuff. Now, it's cold avocado soup. So, we're gonna pop this in the fridge for, I'd say, at least an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then I'll show you how we're gonna garnish it. So my avocado soup has been in the fridge for about an hour. Now I'm gonna show you how to garnish it, then we'll give it a taste, okay? So, why don't we add some fresh little chopped red bell peppers for a nice little color. And we're gonna keep this vegan, so I'm not putting any sour cream or yogurt or anything on it, or you could even like feta or something, but we'll keep it simple here. So the bell pepper, a little bit of cilantro to add to that cilantro flavor, and how about a few little pepitas for a little bit of crunch. Whew, is that too pretty? And you saw how quick it went together, it was just crazy. Let's give it a taste. A little bit of everything, huh? It's just creamy. And I didn't even strain it. Oh, that is so good. Let's have a bite. Crunchy with the bell pepper too. Try some chamois. Oh, that's super yum. Make that. It looks so fancy, but it's so simple. It's easy breezy.